its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 5. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can also book the link provided in the description. Let's check quick description. This property